Hello everyone, the 2025 Cargo Camper Tricycle. This is the latest step in sustainable travel, offering a compact yet efficient solution for urban commuting, long-distance travel, and mobile living. We'll dive deep into its features, performance, practicality, and why this could be the perfect alternative to traditional vans and motorhomes. The concept of a cargo camper tricycle is not entirely new, but the 2025 model takes it to the next level. It combines the practicality of a cargo tricycle with the comforts of a compact camper, making it an appealing choice for eco-conscious travelers, digital nomads, and adventure seekers. This model is designed with sustainability in mind. It operates primarily on electric power, using a high-capacity battery pack that can be recharged via solar panels or through a standard charging port. The solar integration is a game-changer, allowing extended off-grid travel without worrying about running out of power. The energy-efficient system ensures that even on cloudy days, the battery still receives a steady trickle charge. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Cargo Camper Tricycle features a modern aerodynamic design optimized for both efficiency and aesthetics. The compact frame is constructed from lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy, which ensures robustness while keeping weight to a minimum. The front cargo area can be customized for different storage needs, including lockable compartments for securing personal belongings or business equipment. The rear section houses the camper unit. Despite its compact form, it has been intelligently designed to maximize space. The side panels fold out to create additional living space, while the roof can be extended to provide extra headroom. With these expandable elements, it transforms from a compact ride into a surprisingly spacious micro camper. Step inside, and you'll be greeted with a cozy, well-organized interior. The layout includes a comfortable sleeping area that can accommodate 1 or 2 people. The bed cleverly folds away when not in use, freeing up space for other activities. There's a small kitchenette equipped with a single burner stove, a compact sink with a water filtration system, and storage compartments for kitchen essentials. One of the most impressive features is the seating and dining area, which doubles as a workspace. With the rise of digital nomadism, this tricycle camper caters to remote workers by providing a dedicated space for laptops, mobile devices, and other work essentials. USB charging ports and a foldable desk make it easy to set up a mobile office wherever you park. Storage is key in a compact camper, and the designers have made excellent use of available space. Under-seat compartments, wall-mounted organizers, and modular shelving provide ample storage for clothing, tools, and travel gear. The use of lightweight materials ensures that the overall weight remains manageable without compromising on durability. When it comes to mobility, the 2025 Cargo Camper Tricycle excels in maneuverability and ease of use. It features an advanced pedal assist system that helps riders navigate various terrains without excessive effort. The electric motor provides a smooth and quiet ride, making it ideal for city streets, bike lanes, and even off-road adventures. The battery range depends on terrain and load, but on average a fully charged battery can provide up to 100 miles of travel. Regenerative braking helps extend battery life by converting kinetic energy into stored power during deceleration. Additionally, the inclusion of a removable battery allows users to carry a spare for extended trips. Safety is a priority, and this model is equipped with essential features to ensure a secure ride. It includes hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power, LED headlights and taillights for visibility, and a built-in GPS tracking system for added security. The reinforced frame offers excellent stability, even when fully loaded with cargo and camping gear. One of the standout aspects of this tricycle camper is its versatility. It's not just for camping, it's also an excellent choice for urban delivery services, mobile businesses, and eco-friendly commuting. The customizable cargo space allows it to serve multiple purposes, making it a valuable investment for entrepreneurs and individuals alike. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to its modular design. Key components such as the battery, motor, and braking system are easily accessible for routine maintenance and upgrades. The use of standard bicycle components means that replacement parts are widely available, reducing long-term ownership costs. Cost-wise, the 2025 Cargo Camper Tricycle is significantly more affordable than traditional camper vans or RVs. With rising fuel prices and environmental concerns, this eco-friendly alternative provides a cost-effective and sustainable way to travel. The ability to generate power through solar panels further reduces operational costs, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious travelers. Comfort is not sacrificed despite its compact size. The insulated walls help maintain a comfortable temperature in different weather conditions, and ventilation fans ensure good airflow. Some models even offer optional climate control systems for extreme temperatures. Another major advantage is its legal classification. Unlike larger motorhomes, this tricycle camper is often classified as an e-bike or low-speed vehicle in many regions, allowing it to be used without a special license. This opens up accessibility to a broader audience, including those who may not have a driver's license but still want the freedom of mobile living. The growing trend of sustainable travel has seen an increasing demand for innovative solutions like this. More people are looking for ways to minimize their carbon footprint while still enjoying the freedom of the open road. The 2025 Cargo Camper Tricycle provides the perfect balance between sustainability, functionality, and adventure. Beyond personal use, this vehicle presents exciting opportunities for businesses. Mobile coffee shops, pop-up retail stores, and food vendors can all benefit from its mobility and eco-friendly operation. The potential for customization makes it a versatile platform for entrepreneurs looking to take their business on the road. Looking ahead, the future of micro-mobility is promising, and innovations like the Cargo Camper Tricycle are paving the way for more sustainable transportation solutions. As battery technology continues to improve, we can expect even greater range and efficiency in future models. If you're considering a more sustainable and versatile way to travel or start a mobile business, the 2025 Cargo Camper Tricycle is worth exploring. Its combination of mobility, comfort, and eco-friendly design makes it an excellent choice for those looking to embrace a new way of living and working on the move. Stay tuned for more reviews, insights, and the latest in micro-mobility trends. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from Auto UK. See you in the next one.